The traction control system is a critical safety feature that prevents wheel spin during acceleration, helping you maintain control of your vehicle. The system continuously monitors wheel speed sensors, compares rotational speeds between wheels, and takes action when it detects wheel spin by applying brakes to spinning wheels and reducing engine power when necessary. Understanding what your traction control light means is crucial. A solid light indicates the system is temporarily disabled or actively working to help you maintain control. A flashing light means the system is actively engaged, working to reduce wheel spin and maintain traction. A persistent light that stays on signals a system malfunction that requires professional attention. The most common cause of traction control light activation is faulty wheel speed sensors, accounting for 40% of all cases. These sensors monitor individual wheel rotation and can fail due to contamination or damage. ABS system malfunctions cause 25% of issues, since traction control shares components with the anti-lock braking system. Wiring and electrical problems account for 20%, often caused by corroded connections or damaged wiring harnesses. Environmental factors like extreme weather, road salt, and moisture cause 10% of issues, while software and calibration problems account for the remaining 5%. The traction control system works closely with your vehicle's braking system and electronic control modules to maintain optimal traction and vehicle stability. Understanding these warning light meanings and common causes helps you respond appropriately when your traction control light activates, ensuring your safety on the road. When your traction control light comes on, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. The first method is a simple system reset that often resolves temporary glitches. If the basic reset doesn't work, try a manual system reset using your vehicle's traction control button. This button is typically located on the dashboard or center console. If the light persists after trying these basic resets, professional diagnosis and repair may be needed. The most common solution involves cleaning or replacing wheel speed sensors. Electrical issues are another common cause. These problems often involve corroded connections, damaged wiring, or poor ground connections that need professional attention. Before replacing any components, always perform a complete system scan and verify basic maintenance items. Software updates can also resolve many traction control issues without hardware replacement.